Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you're experiencing a no start and there is no power, you should always check this fuse. This part is the main fuse. Make sure it is the main fuse by looking at the fuse box cover. Also, there's another fuse that is going to be for the ignition, so also make sure you check that as well. If you're experiencing no starts and there's no power on the dashboard, I always check the main fuse and make sure to check the main fuse connection because that part can become corroded and cause poor connection. Also, make sure to inspect the ignition main fuse. The ignition main fuse protects the ignition system and it also protects the starting system. You can always remove the fuse and visually inspect it to make sure it is not blown. To check the main fuse and the ignition main fuse, use a multimeter and set it to ohms. Make sure to check for continuity. If there is continuity, then you know that fuse is good. If the main fuse and the ignition fuse are good, make sure there is power going to the fuse box. If there is no power going to the fuse box, make sure to check for bad cable or bad connection. Also, make sure there is power going to the ignition main fuse, and also make sure there is power going to the main fuse as well. If there is no power, make sure to check for bad connection or corroded connection. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.